My name is Michelle Zaleski. I'm a patient of Dr. Irvin Soni and Dr. Greg Nelson. I came to them due to a collapse in my lower back and my neck in July of 2014. I had collapse at C6, C7 and L4 to S1, at which time Dr. Soni fused my neck and my back. Since then, we've had a couple of issues that we've had to correct due to degenerative disc disease. And as recently as last September, we had to go in and take all the hardware out and go up a level from L3 to S1. However, the success from that surgery has been incredible. I walk, I run, I do water aerobics, I do yoga. It's been awesome. When the event occurred, I was actually getting ready to go to work, and all of a sudden my arm stopped working and my right leg went completely numb and dead. I couldn't utilize it at all. And we've gone back and back. There's no known trauma to the situation. It was just kind of a freak accident where everything collapsed at one time. When the situation occurred, I went to Resolute Health emergency room to be seen. We thought I was having a stroke. They did a CT scan, confirmed it wasn't a stroke, had a neurological consult with a doctor from Houston, and determined what had happened was the collapse of the neck and the back. And at that time, Dr. Soni was the spine surgeon on call at Resolute. However, Resolute had just opened 3 months prior, and so he didn't have all his equipment there in the operating room, so he transferred me down to Guadalupe Regional, where he did both surgeries, one on Tuesday and one on Wednesday. The staff here has been incredible. They almost treat me like I'm just a good friend. I'm greeted every time I come in with a smile and by name. We're comfortable enough to laugh and joke together. They've just been amazing. I'm the kind of person that I need to understand exactly what's going on, and they've always been willing to get me my test results so that I can read them and go through them before I see Dr. Soni or Dr. Nelson, so that I can ask intelligent questions. Anything I've asked for. When I've had to have surgeries done, their surgical coordinator, Alyssa, has just been awesome, texting me, keeping me posted, letting me know how things are going. So really the staff has been just wonderful. So when Dr. Soni was assigned my case, he came in and talked to me once I was down at Guadalupe and explained to me what was going on, what they were going to do. He was going to do another set of MRIs to ensure the information that he had from Resolute was accurate. He wanted his set of studies. And prior to the surgery on my neck, which is what he did first, he came in and talked to me. My children and my husband were there. He sat down and talked to all 4 of us, explained everything to us, made me feel very comfortable. When we went in to do the back surgery, an issue showed up. I started to go into kidney failure, and so he came out and talked to my husband and said, "Hey, I just want to let you know we're going to have to do something that I hadn't planned on. Are you okay with it? Are you aware?" So he was always very good about keeping us up to date on what was going on, what was happening. The after consult care or after procedure care has been awesome. He comes out and he talks to me, he talks to my husband, lets us know what's going on, tells us what prognosis is. We've always got good follow-up. So we've been really happy as far as information and communication between Dr. Soni and ourselves as patients. I feel very fortunate. I mean, I literally kind of, and I tell Dr. Soni this all the time, I literally kind of fell into his lap initially in 2014, and I feel extremely blessed and fortunate that he was the one that was on call, because after he did the surgery and we got to know him, I went back and I did some research. I know that he's Baylor trained. I know that he worked at Ben Taub. I know his experience level, and it made me feel very confident that I was going to make a very positive, progressive recovery. And I think that from everything I've been through and the success I've had, I mean, I couldn't have asked for a better surgeon. I couldn't have asked for a nicer staff. They are just top-notch, 5-star all the way. Been really pleased.